So, welcome back to Hilltop Family Farm, my viewers and my subscribers. I am just here today on my dad goat farm. So, I am just here today, guys, and I am giving you guys another update on these beautiful goats right here. So, what I am going to do, guys, if any of you in Jamaica who would like go to purchase, I am going to leave my dad phone number at the top of the comment section and in the description of this video, so you guys could contact him and find out the price and the goats that he had to sell. So what are you guys are actually seeing here? These ones are some young ram goat, and I don't sure if he's selling any of these ones or what, because he's not here today. He gone to bush. So another update that I am going to give you guys, I am going to make sure that he's actually here to could show you guys which one of the goat is actually selling from which one is not selling. So this goat farm is located in Hanover South Spring, into close to Westmoreland, like in Hanover. So that's where this goat farm is located, in Hanover. So as you guys can see right there, these are some young ram goat right there, and this one right here is a she goat right there. And then over here, these ones are some mother goats and some smaller kids. That's a mother goat right there. That one right there is a yo. So that's a she goat. And as you guys can see, all over there's a lot of goat. I'm going to try and show you guys a lot of them. So there you guys can see, that's a mother goat right there. And over here you guys can see as well, there's a lot of them, guys. And I need you guys to like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and share this video for me. I would really appreciate it so much. And if you are not already subscribed, please consider doing so for a lot more update. It's been a while, guys. I never gave an update on the goats, and they're looking so wonderful. And those are some other young rams over there, and I'm going to try and show you guys as well. This one right here was trying to bite on my pants. That's a ram right there, guys. I'm going to give you guys a close-up view of him. And that's a ram right there. This is another ram right there. Here you guys can see, that's a ram. These ones are some other mother goats, guys. These are some more small ram right there. You can let the tip of the goat, his front teeth touch your finger, guys. But if you let it go right here inside of his jaw, he's going to bite you. Because he had double teeth inside of his jaw right here. And right here, he only has teeth down by the bottom of his gum. You guys can see two of them is right here. These are two she-goat. Right there. And I am going to go ahead, guys, and show you guys the bigger Rami that is actually on the farm. So stay tuned. So right here you guys can see these ones are the bigger Rami. So I want to say thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it so much. One love, stay tuned. Until next time.